Hey everyone, this is Chandler and welcome back to another episode of Damaged Darts. Today I'll be showcasing this, my Fortnite themed Zombiestrike Slingfire. For this mod job, I thought the Slingfire would be an awesome shotgun looking choice because I love the cool looking pump action here, and it's more like a short sawed off but not quite sawed off shotgun, and it's got a cool wood buttstock as well. So for this mod we started with the externals and we wanted to give it a green kind of shell there and also the wood there as well. We started with a gray primer base coat, I believe, and then we went over it with the brown, then the green, and then black. And after we were all done with that, we added some weathering to it with our classic weathering scheme where we use the black and brown acrylic watered down with a paintbrush, paint it all over this, and then wait a little bit, dry it off with the paper towel. And we did it a little more defined on the buttstock here because it makes it look a lot more like actual wood. We also did it a little more heavy on the wrap as well to make it look a little older and worn and all grimed up, like it's been in dirt and dust and all that. And we also used rub and buff for the silver rub away on the black parts as well. And let me show you guys the other side. We used stencils for this. This is kind of like a Punisher stencil. And we also have awesome tally marks for the zombie markup there. And the ZX, you guys can probably figure out what that means. Yeah, so we put like Zombiestrike 724. We just put some random letters on there. And we also went over with orange acrylic to make it look like it has rust parts as well on there. Yeah, that makes it look awesome, nice and cool. And then after we were done with that, we didn't do much to the internals. We just took out a couple locks in there that we didn't need, took out the air restrictor, added a 7 or 8 kilogram spring from Orange Modworks. We'll put the link in the description for that. And I believe we also upgraded the couch spring as well so it could actually manage and hold the 7 and 8 kilogram spring upgrade. So let's go and take it out into the hallway to give you a test fire to see how this shoots. Alright, got my scavenged regalia of Fortnite-ness. So, just showing off the test fire of this Fortnite-themed shotgun. So here goes. Oh, and I do have little Valentines loaded in here, and I'll put the link in the description for that if you guys want any. So this gun shoots really well and nice and hard, leaves a good welt on the opponent. High damage. Yeah, I have a 6-shot in here. And we're all out. So this has really good performance on it. It does not have any issues with loading. So there you go. Hey, hope you guys enjoyed this showcasing of the Fortnite themed Zombiestrike Slingfire. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please consider doing so by clicking on the icon here. Also click the notification bell below so you don't miss out on any of our new videos. Damaged Darts signing off.